Hello everybody, today we'll discuss ties. So what a tie does is basically it would lengthen the time value of a given note. And for example, let's take a look at this example. We have some 8 notes, 1N, 2N, 3N, 4N. All right. So let's say right now we want to lengthen this note. We want to make it a quarter note. What we can do is we can tie these two together. One caveat though, these two notes have to be of the same pitch, otherwise it would become a slur, which is totally something else, okay? So right now the rhythm would become something like this. Instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, it would become something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let me bring up the keyboard and do it one more time for you, okay? 3, 4, 1 and, sorry, let me do it here, okay? Let's do G note. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Something like that. All right, so let's do a few examples. Okay, number 1. Basically the same thing, but with another tie at the end. So it should be something like this. All right, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. In an example, a tie on the end of 2. All right, so 3, 4, 1 and 2, sorry, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. Okay, lastly, we have a 16-note rhythm. All right, so we're putting a tie between these two notes, so 1 E and between the E and, effectively that would turn this into something like this. Okay, so they're basically equivalent. Okay, so all right, let's take a look. So normally you would go like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. So right now it becomes something like 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E. So I would go 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and with ties 3, 4, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. All right, so that's it for ties. So basically it lengthens the time value of a note by tying it with the next, and that they have on paper they have to be of the same pitch. All right, so that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.